In this session, let's learn about one of the important feature that is called query rewrite. Okay, we learned that we create materialized views to improve performance. Right here you see this is my select SQL statement. I am aggregating or I am summarizing the data at a sales month and a product level, and I'm just getting the aggregated values of quantity, unit price, sales amount, tax amount and total amount. Okay, so I am taking those 1 million rows which are present in the sales table and kind of aggregating and making it like maybe 1000 rows or 10,000 rows depending upon the group. Okay, and another important clause to remember is enable query rewrite. What this means is like whenever you are trying to query the sales table and product table at the grain of sales month or the product name, instead of going to the sales table and getting the data, it will go to the materialized view and it will fetch the data. Thus, it will improve the performance, right? Instead of accessing those 1 million rows and creating the summary for you, already that summary is present in your materialized view. So it's better to go to the materialized view and fetch the data. That's a cool feature, right? Yes. This feature saves lot of time for the SQL statement to return the result. Okay, now let's go and create. Okay, this is the SQL statement. So we have about 92 rows in sales table, right? So let me see how many we got. Okay, we got around 16 rows. Okay, and my group is at the monthly level, which is the sales month, and at the product name level, and I'm just aggregating all the other measures. Okay, now let me create a materialized view on this. Okay, so create materialized view and I'll call it as sales sum, to just call it as sales summary MV. Okay, we will build it immediate. Okay, and we'll use the force method and we will do on demand. Okay, this is your regular materialized view. Okay, now I will enable the query rewrite. Enable query rewrite. Okay, and as. Okay, and let me create the materialized view. So materialized view sales underscore sum underscore MV created. Okay, now let me query the materialized view. Okay, you see the data is summarized and stored at the grain we needed. It has about 16 rows. So whenever users wants the summary data, they can go to the materialized view, and whenever they want to fetch the detailed information, they can go to the sales table and of course join with the product table to get any additional information. Okay, now let's see how the query rewrite works. Okay, I will take this SQL. Okay, I'll copy that. Now I'm not at all using the materialized view. This is my SQL statement. Okay, let me execute this. Okay, so you are thinking, since we are fetching the data from the sales table and the product table, Oracle database went to sales table and product table, fetched the data and aggregated for you, right? Yes. If a materialized view was not there with the query rewrite feature, yes, it would have gone to the base table. But since we have this query rewrite function enabled, let's see what happened. Okay, so let me select this statement and look at the explain plan. You see, materialized view rewrite access, and it is accessing the sales underscore sum underscore MV. That means Oracle database rewrote your SQL statement to use your materialized view. Cool, right? Yes. Okay. Now let me change this. I need not use the exact SQL like the one in my materialized view. I just want at a product level. So let me change this group by. Okay. And execute this. So at a product level, I got my data. So now let's see how Oracle database is executing this. Okay, let me see the explain plan. Again, it did the query rewrite. It used the materialized view instead of the actual sales table. So now let me even take the product name also. Okay, so let me delete the group by and execute this. Okay, we got one row of course, and now let me see the explain plan. Here also it used the query rewrite. You see, this is a cool feature, right? Instead of accessing those actual base tables, since we already have the aggregated data in the materialized view, Oracle database made use of that aggregated data. Okay.